the Keurig single serve plus coffee maker along with the travel bag. I love this for when we stay in a hotel. This bag is a really nice bag. It comes with a longer strap. Inside here, there is actually a zipper up there to store stuff and plenty of space for the Keurig machine. The outside has a zipper pouch that you can actually store your Keurig pods in there, and then the inside zipper for, you know, utensils or whatever. Got the two side pockets, nothing really on the back. Two pockets there, another pocket there. So that's a nice little bag. You can see here it actually fits in perfectly. Then you can, got my sugars in there, close it up, and then just zip it up. And you can see inside here, I've got my K-Pods. It fits 8 comfortably. You could probably stick some more in there. And then this little pouch there, that's really nice. I can put my cups or whatever I need to put on the side here. So overall, that's a nice little storage bag that just, again, zips up easily. All right, so let's look at this Keurig machine. First of all, I love that it's just the right size for me to take when I travel. It holds, this little container here holds the K-Pods. It will actually hold 9 of them. So if you don't have the travel bag, this is a perfect way to carry your K-Pods. And then the water reservoir is right here, and you just pour 12 ounces of water in there. I love that the cord pulls out, but then when you're gonna store it away, it will push back up in there, so that's really nice. And then the easy to use buttons, nothing fancy. It's just got the power on, strong, and then just go ahead and push the silver button to start. So that's really handy. This machine is super easy to use. Plug it in, make sure you got your 12 ounces of water. We actually like using our travel mugs, but they are too big. A regular cup is probably what you really need. We found that these Starbucks reusable cups work, so that's what I'm going with here. And just go ahead and put one of your K-Pods in there. And then when you're ready, you just go ahead and close the top, you hit power, and then strong if you want your coffee strong, and the silver button, and then just let it run. If you've chosen strong, it will take just a little bit longer than if it's not strong. It'll use up all the water that's in the reservoir, and pull out my coffee here, and my coffee is perfect. The Keurig machine does have this little drip pan, so any of the coffee that's dripping will be caught in there. And I just need to make sure I throw away my K-Pod before I store my Keurig machine. But overall, I love this machine and I would recommend it.